Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I am going to be stuffing some more money into house savings and also contributing to the penny challenge. It is currently April the 9th, so it's the end of the weekend. I've done all the shopping I'm going to do for the week, and I thought I would share with you how much I spent and then contribute everything that's left over to savings. So let's start with gas. Now, as of the last stuffing, I had $40 in here, and I have 20 left. Now, I did go by, what is this, Murphy, I guess. I have Walmart Plus, so I ended up getting a discount on gas. I did get a Coke Zero, my one for the week. That was $2.29 plus $20 in gas. So that was $22.49 was the total. So I took $20 out of this, and then the $2.29 came out of what I had left over last week from groceries. So total of $22.49 spent at the gas station, so that gave me $20 or left me with $20 left over. So that was gas. And then groceries, I ended up going to Walmart yesterday, and I didn't spend much money. I spent $71.28, so I guess a little bit more than what I would have liked. I ended up getting some bread for avocado toast, my daughter's breakfast sandwiches, some ranch dressing, I've got some seasoning, and I've got Miracle Whip. We got some fruit punch Gatorade for my daughter, Italian sweet cream creamer for my daughter, popcorn, 2 things of sugar-free vanilla creamer. Let's see what else. I got a 2% milk. I did get a 6-pack of Coke Zero, and these abbreviations are really terrible. GVCCIC. It's not coming to me right off the top of my head. But what else is this? I got 2.5 gallons of water in a jug. And the other 2 things are just escaping me. I have no idea what that is. But this is what I spent, $71.28 on groceries. So this is what I have left over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you remember, I added $80 in the envelopes. I had a total of $85. And then in change, I have $1.23. So I did really well sticking to my budget this week. I would have liked to have spent less and had more to contribute to my savings challenges, but that's okay. So I did say this is $1.23. So let's mark that off from the penny challenge. And I've got this little container I picked up from Walmart. It says show me the budget on the top, and I'm just gonna add my change in there. And then for house savings, we are going to be adding 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So $30. So that should give me, oh Lord have mercy, I think that's 3,907 if my math is correct. It probably isn't though. I'm sure somebody will probably correct me down in the comments. But let's take out this money here and let's count this. Let's see. There's 5 and 1s. Okay, so in the bank, I have 3,500, so that's in the bank for house savings, and I've got $10,000 in my emergency fund. And so here I should have 900, or not 900, 407 if my math is right. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. Oh, this should be 17. I think that's right. I think that's where I went wrong. Okay, so 400, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, I was right. My math was wrong. So we have $3,917 for house savings now. So I am really excited. Every little bit that I can put towards house savings and save on groceries, gas, whatever it is, I'm excited to do it, because if everything goes to plan, in 2 years, I would like to be in a house that I own. So anyway, that is everything for me, guys. This is a quick video for adding to house savings and the penny challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.